NBA All-World Hands-On, taking basketball video games back to the streets. Niantic's latest AR app might be the best use of its location-based tech yet. So we have some version of Pokemon Go, but for basketball fans?
Yeah, in a way.
That's kind of cool.
You kind of collect the basketball players like you do in Pokemon. And instead of actually going to like public areas, you actually go to the NBA stadiums and play a game like one-on-one with Giannis or something, and then you collect them. That's it.
No, it isn't.
And the
It
game
isn't.
is-
I just noticed, like, why is there money up top? Like, you're earning some kind of cash as well over there.
Yeah. I don't know if it's a crypto play or anything like that, but I'm guessing it's just currency within the app, the game.
I just wonder if there's some correlation between the earnings, like the value of a player, and then your collection of players or something along those lines.
Yeah.
For people who have played at previous titles, this features a familiar formula. After installing the free app available on Android and iOS, you are given a starter player. From there, you can use the in-game map to navigate to real-world locations in order to collect items, earn cash, or battle as well. So this is very Pokemon-esque.
Yeah. It looks kind of cool. Like, it's actually a game.
Oh, damn. The graphics look pretty good for a mobile game.
Yeah.
Cool. So you got to go out to... These are always odd to me, though, like, especially now that it's a real-world game. Like, imagine you go to the basketball court to battle a guy in a real basketball court, but on your fake
You
basketball
pull out your
court.
phones.
It's kind of funny, but you know what? Maybe people definitely need to get out of the house. That's for damn sure.
That's what this company wants people to do instead of just staying at home.
The first difference is that instead of hanging out on random street corners like you often do while raiding in Pokemon Go, the need to go to local courts makes NBA All-World feel more grounded in reality. It's important because Niantic says there's actually very little overlap between people who play its other titles and more traditional sports gamers. Only like 10%. Isn't that amazing how segmented the gaming world is? Like, you have gamers, but then they can have nothing in common because of their whatever their particular interest in gaming is. Like 10% overlap is almost nothing. 10% of their players who play Pokemon will play an NBA game or a sports game or whatever it was that the statistic is. It's pretty interesting. So they had to do something different. Years of people playing the basketball series, NBA 2K series, which I've played also in the past, means you got to do something that's, I guess, hopefully somewhat reminiscent of that as well, because you've got a huge fan base there.
Yeah, and you have your own character. You can customize them.
I mean, listen, if this enhances or encourages you to go to the local court, and all of a sudden you do a little bit of exercise, you're playing real basketball, you're also modding your guy, putting your outfits on, like,
Why not?
cool, man, whatever, yeah. Check it out. I don't know. I just hope it's not one of these... I don't know how how are they making money?
Pay to win?
How are they making money? I mean, you have to ask in 2023. It's just like, do I just download this thing, or do I need a subscription? Like, what am I doing? I don't even remember how it worked with Pokemon Go at this point, but
Yeah.
it always seems to be a key characteristic that I'm buying all these
Pokeballs.
My kids are asking to buy the outfits in the game, and you spend $4,000 on...
4,000.
No, I don't know. I'm just saying, Will, it gets out of hand quickly. You know what I mean?
No, I hear you.